All right, for the next unit in the advanced web class, we are going to start working with WordPress. And in order to do that, we need to have a domain name. And Siteground.com has a free web hostings for students and educators, and they have a special offer for students. You go to siteground.com/students program, and then you click on sign up. You're going to put your email address in here, and you need to make sure that you put your FVCC email address in, because that's how you will qualify for a free account. And you need to put a password in. And then you are going to select United States. You can select Montana. You're going to put in your first name, your last name, your city, street address, and your phone number. Your plan information, it's going to be Startup USA 3 months, and you can notice that it's going to be $0 a month. It's usually 20, but they're giving you 3 months. You can say I confirm, that I agree, and you're going to click Pay Now. And then it says your account was successfully created. You can now log into your customer area and start managing your website right away. You will also receive a welcome email with login instructions and account management guidelines within the next hour. So here's what the customer area looks like. And it says have a productive time on our platform, and it has all of this information. What you do need to do before next week is, it says install or migrate WordPress. If you followed our guide setting up a site, your WordPress should already have been set up on your account. In case you need to go through installation or transfer, here's how. So I'm going to go ahead and click on install WordPress. And option 1, the website setup wizard is a solution that appears when you log into your client area for the first time. On the homepage, you will see setup site, and you click on the following process. So we're going to do the website setup wizard step, but you're only going to do that in your client area, which you're going to get an email from SiteGround that gives you those instructions. So the first thing you need to do is just make sure that you've signed up for that. And then you need to check your email to see if you've received an email. So I got an email saying important information about your new hosting plan. It gives me my login URL and my username and my password. Managing your website. We've created an empty website with you with a temporary domain. Check it in your client area and start on your work. The easiest way to add content to your website is to install a website application like WordPress. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my app manager. I'm going to put in my email and my password. And now this is the app manager. Easily start your site by installing one of the most popular web applications. Choose the app you wish to install. So I'm going to choose WordPress. And then it says, this is my domain, donr.sgedu.site. I'm going to leave it all there. Install with a WordPress siter. Admin info. So I'm going to go ahead and put my username and my password. I'm going to keep the same one that I used for my other, so they're all the same. And my email address is going to be there. I guess my username doesn't need to be like that. And then I'm going to click on install. And now what it's doing is it's going to install WordPress on my new website, my domain that I purchased. So now it says WordPress is installed on donr.sgedu.site. So I'm going to copy that URL because that is what you need to send me. So now if I open up a new screen and I go to that URL, this is what it looks like. It just says my WordPress, just another WordPress site, nothing here. And that's because we haven't actually done anything more than install WordPress. So that's what you're going to do for this assignment, is you're going to make sure you have a URL and that you have WordPress installed, and you're going to send me that URL. Have fun.